Phoenix versus SMB. Sa una pa lang, they know what to do against the defense of San Miguel. Of course, you need to involve Junmar Fajardo sa mga pick and roll actions, and Tyler Tio took advantage of that. Kasi sa PBA, walang defensive 3 seconds. So, mahirap umata kung papatambayin mo sa ilalim si Junmar Fajardo. 6'10 pa rin yan and can block shots. Pero if you play him sa PNR, different story talaga. What I've seen also para sa Phoenix is yung ball movement nila. Parang ibang team sila under Willie Wilson Sabihin na nating first time coach. Pero kung philosophy niya bilang coach ay kailangan ng extra pass, why not? Kung ikakaganda naman ng takbo ng opensa. Ball movement is different from the triangle offense na kailangan mong sundin ng eksakto, which is mas complicated. Dito makikita mo lang yung natural basketball flow sa loob ng court. Kahit open na si Brian Santos dito, nag-extra pass pa rin sa corner for a better shot opportunity. If merong matchup si Junmar na may outside shot, mag-e-excel yun sa opensa. Tingnan nyo dito, magsasag lang si Junmar at hindi susunod sa labas. Kaya Caperal had all day sa laban na to. Nakatatlong 3-point shots rin siya bago siya ma-fouled out. Yung duo naman ni Evan Nelly at Richie Rivero, sila talaga yung naging game changer para sa Phoenix. Nelly is showing us his true point guard instincts, dishing great passes, running sets, at balancing the pace. Then you have Richie Rivero, whose scoring ability complements Nelly's playmaking perfectly. Now, si Chris Miller ng SMB, rookie sa papel pero 32 years old na, only played 5 minutes. Honestly, hindi ko gets kung bakit hindi siya binibigyan ng opportunity. We all know what his skill set is, and technically hindi na siya rookie. Akala ko nga isasama siya sa main rotation ng SMB. Hype na hype pa tayo dati na perfect fit siya. Kaso ngayon, wala pa tayong makitang sample size. We can only react kung binigyan talaga siya ng plays, touches, pero wala Another rookie na naman ba na masasayang for SMB? May factor din siguro yung practice, depende kung nag-show up siya doon. Pero kasi knowing SMB, they really depend on the old gods, yung veterans na tested na. Going back to the game, in the fourth quarter, Coach Willie really gave Richie Rivero the green light to show his true form, which I like. Alam niyang pwedeng masira yung ball movement kung puro isolation si Richie. That's why sakto talaga yung balance nila ni Nelly. Evan, again, another dish. He ended the game with 10 total assist. Point guard! Halfway sa end game, down ng 16 ang SMB, pero nakabalik sila by putting in players that can score in all ways. Doon mo makikita yung test of composure ng Phoenix. And ayun na nga, nakabalik yung SMB, pero bitin. Pero if you think about it, bakit kayo yung naghahabol, diba? So, something's wrong somewhere. Junmar went 5 out of 12 from the free throw line, and actually ang naging difference lang talaga for this game is yung ball distribution ng Phoenix. Syempre for SMB, they always go in the post with Junmar, tapos CJ Perez will attack, and there's nothing wrong with that. Yun naman yung nagpapa-champion sa kanila for so many years. Pero this is the beauty of basketball. May mga araw talaga na ma-overcome yung mga ganong style of play. And for us fans na gusto makakita ng independent teams na mag-succeed, this is a good sight. Richie Rivero with 16 points, and Phoenix finished with 27 total assists plus 7 compared to SMB. Yung assist pa nga ng SMB karamihan late game galing kay Jericho Cruz. Kung wala yun, mas malaki pa sana yung gap. Walang high volume shot taker sa Phoenix, pinakamataas lang 11 attempts, unlike SMB na may mga risk takers sa opensa, which can result in good or bad night. So tonight, it was a bad night for them. So GG everyone.